Hey guys, welcome to my channel and I'm super glad to have you all here. Please feel free to subscribe to this channel and also give this video a thumbs up, like this video after watching. So in this video I'm going to teach you all how to make a salted caramel. This is actually a filling for your cake, so if something really interested to watch, please sit back, relax and enjoy the video to the end. Welcome back guys. So the first thing you need to do is put in your sugar. Get your saucepan and then pour in your sugar. Okay, please, when making this salted caramel filling, you need to be very careful. Add in your water and then make your sugar, allow your sugar to caramelize very well. So this first method is a very, I won't say it's a delicate method, but you need to be very careful. So once your sugar is well caramelized, that's if it's turning to golden brown, then you could tell or you know that it's well caramelized. Do you understand? So this is what I'm doing here, and this is the first stage to achieve a salted caramel recipe. Okay, so when you notice this is done, it's going to give you this light brown. So people or some bakers like the sugar to be dark brown. For me, I like mine to be dark brown. So is either you make it like light brown or you make it dark brown. Do you understand guys? So on this video here, this part here, this one is light brown. So at a point I had to allow it to become dark brown a bit, just like what you guys are seeing here in this video. Okay, so once this stage is over for you, you add in your margarine. Please note that you can use unsalted butter, but the essence of this video is to make some people understand that you can actually use margarine for this. So but if you don't have margarine, you can use unsalted butter. Okay, just take note of that. So when you add in your margarine, please take off the saucepan from the heat and add in the margarine, okay, or your unsalted butter. So give it a stir. Please take notes, take it away from the heat, or you turn off the heat and then stir the butter continuously, because by the time you're stirring this, you will notice that the butter is more like separated from the caramelized sugar, just like what's happening here in this video. It's more like it's separated, and the only way everything can come together is if you use your wooden spoon or a spatula to stir continuously. And that's what I'm doing here in this video. I had to use a spatula to stir continuously because you just have to do it guys. If not, by the time you're done making this salted caramel, you will definitely see the oil of the butter on top of it. It's going to look separated. So please, to avoid it, you need to stir continuously until the butter or your margarine is mixed together with the caramelized sugar. I don't know if you guys understand. Okay, so please note that there's a difference between salted caramel and caramel sauce. So with caramel sauce, they can use what they call a condensed milk. Okay, so and of course brown sugar, right? That's for caramel sauce. So but for this one, you just what they call just whipping cream and sugar and of course butter. So just 3 major ingredients or 4 ingredients needed for this salted caramel recipe. So as you can see, I'm still stirring this salted caramel so that the butter can mix together properly. You just have to keep stirring it. If not, at the end result you're going to get is the butter will be separated up, and then the recipe, the salted caramel will be down. I don't know if you guys are getting me, but definitely you guys should understand what I'm saying. So I'm done stirring, like it's well stirred. Can you guys see it now? Like, can you guys see it? So when you're done with this, you add in your whipping cream or your milk. So I was really intentional with it because, you know, whipping cream is not expensive, even butter or salted butter is not expensive. My goal here is to make sure just to make you guys understand that you can use what's available in your kitchen. So for this I used milk. You can also use heavy cream Heavy cream is also known as liquid whipping cream. Okay, so I used milk, and I had to, after stirring the butter into it, and then I had to put my saucepan back into the heat, and then I kept on stirring, then added the milk, and then I kept on stirring. Okay, please note that you can also use heavy cream. And again, like I said, heavy cream is also known as liquid whipping cream. Okay, so is either the milk or heavy cream. All right, so I'm still stirring, like I'll keep on stirring and stirring until everything is well combined together. That is just it, guys. Is you have to keep on stirring. And also, when you're trying to caramelize your sugar, please, you need to be very careful. If the sugar is over caramelized, trust me, it's going to get bitter at the end of the day. Okay, so that is it. So when you've achieved that light golden brown at the beginning of the, or at the beginning stage of this, then it's okay, right? So for me, I like this color of this my own caramel sauce. Like I said before, some people like the caramel sauce, sorry, the salted caramel, to be light brown, while some like it golden brown. But I think originally this color is perfect. You know, most people, this most of the salted caramel sauce, sorry, I might even say most of the salted caramel, I know it's, you know, it's this color, and I feel, you know, for me this is fine. Okay, so I'm done with it. I'm adding my flavor. Okay, so because I used margarine, there's no need for me to add salt, because this thing, because margarine itself contains salt, right? But if you like, you can still add a little bit of salt, but it should not be much. Okay, me, I added just, I think I added 1/8 teaspoon of salt for this recipe here. So I'm going to share the recipe in the description box. You can check it there, right? Yeah, so that is it, guys. It's ready. When you're done, take it off and then allow it to cool. Yeah, it's almost cool, and you can see the thickness. Can you guys see the thickness? By the time I allow it to cool properly, it's going to be extremely thick. Okay, so this is the caramel sauce. Sorry, oh my god. So this is salted caramel. Please take note, salted caramel. You can see the texture, and it's looking so nice and perfect for my cake filling. So that is it, guys. Please, if you enjoy watching this video, like this video, share this video, and also subscribe to my channel, guys. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you for watching, and bye, guys.